I tried a kickflip before and it was like, there's something wrong with my trucks. I woke up in beast mode! Good morning everybody and welcome to a new vlog. The weather today is beautiful. That's why I need sun cream. Ugh, why is that so yellow? Shit, look at this. Welcome to one of my most favorite skate parks. I used to skate here at least once or twice a week. And yeah, some easy stuff. And what do I have here? I'm doing the mall grab by the way. And I have a surfboard skateboard here. I actually just have to bring it back to my friend and I thought I'm gonna skate it real quick. Why not? Well, let's show you guys around real quick. We have that really nice hubba here. This is the sickest pyramid round here. I really like it. Of course, you have some holes here, which is not that nice. This is such a nice mini ramp, but I broke my foot on here, so I don't really like it that much anymore, but I'll be skating it today. Manual pad, you can't do anything wrong here. And let's say this ledge right here is pretty perfect. Before I film some skate tricks on this special board, I want to film some normal tricks. Let's go for it. It's basically just a wooden surfboard with skate trucks on it. Yeah, let's try some tricks on it. Yeah, last time we have done so many tricks on this one. I tried a kickflip before and it was like, there's something wrong with my trucks. And look at this. Look at this. They're like completely broken. Do you see this? It's crazy. I even touched the ground here a little bit. Yeah, I'm over with this board. I have to bring it back to my friend anyway. I mean, I completely destroyed it. There used to be like some edges here, but he doesn't care. He just wants the shape of this board. I can remember that it was super annoying to remove the trucks because the screws are so fucked up. Let's give it a try anyway. No way, I completely forgot to film it. Actually, it's close there. My friend is working here. So I brought him his board and that's how I get in. So the board is sitting right here. I used to work here as well. Just handicapped people work here. What is going on? It's still blocked. I just want to see how long it is, and with this board it's perfect. Oh, I've just seen something. This bikeway is actually pretty perfect for me because electric skateboarding is not allowed in Switzerland. And here's a pretty famous spot I wanted to show you real quick. It's not allowed to skate here, but especially not during the week. Here's actually a really famous manual path with a huge drop at the end. I can't remember what I've done here, but I think Nolly knows manual heel flip, something like that. I actually thought it's way longer. It's nothing. My board is doing that like really easy. I'm still at 90%. With this board you never have to be careful with your battery. I'm back home and I just saw how many views I got on the latest video. And I'm like, I should have named my video a little different. Maybe something with electric skateboarding. I get way more views for videos with electric skateboarding in it. And yeah, I'm just saying, maybe I should just name all my videos with electric skateboarding names. It would definitely help to grow my channel. And tell me in the comments what you think about this. And I'm done for today. I hope you enjoyed and hopefully we'll see each other tomorrow again.